Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Persistent Trading. Today we have seen a relief rally in our markets, particularly in Nifty 50, whereas Bank Nifty is still in the struggling mode because ICICI Bank and Axis Bank both dragged the index down, whereas there was some kind of relief in both HDFC and SBI Bank today. Overall structure still remains bearish, but internally we can see that some kind of bullish formation both in Nifty and Bank Nifty index. So if this rally continues to the upside or the relief rally will end tomorrow, given that overall it is in the selling mode. So we need to observe tomorrow, accordingly we'll take the trade. Now let's get back to our technical analysis. First we will do analysis on the Bank Nifty. If we look at our trade plan yesterday, clearly we mentioned that this is the last break of structure yesterday we have seen. So that means there is a 5-minute resistance it has formed. In case if a candle is closed above this, we said we can turn bullish, but immediately we said that there is a resistance at this level because it has closed below this swing low. So there will not be enough confidence to take a long trade unless until it is closed above 45,500 level. If you observe, market exactly took the resistance at this level and then it has changed its character downside. If you have taken a short trade at this level, given this break of structure, probably you would have captured at least 500 to 600 points by keeping a stop loss of close to 100 and 150 points, right? Because this was the trade plan yesterday we have created. We want to remain in bearish only when we see a change of character either at this zone or else at this zone. It is exactly worked as per our trade plan. So now, how do we plan for tomorrow? What are our key levels? Now if you observe, the overall structure still remains bearish because we need a closing above this 45,500 level. But internally you can clearly see that market has formed a internal change of character to the upside. That means 5 minutes we have a support zone at this level, that is 44,650 to 44,000, around 750 we can consider. Within this 100 points there is a support. Now we have seen an internal change of character to the upside. That means we need a pullback. So tomorrow either if it opens gap up, either here we need a pullback, and then in case if we see a change of character, that means now it is aligned with the previous structure. Now you can take a trade and then target this swing high. In case if that is not happening, let's say market opened gap down, then it is again the same scenario because so as per this we need a pullback, and if the pullback comes to this support level and then if we see a change of character, again you can take a long trade and then keep a stop loss below this swing low. Again you can target this swing high, right? These are the two scenarios. Let's say given Nifty is already in the positive mode today, let's say market opened gap up, let's say either here it opens gap up and then continues higher, or else it opens directly gap up. What we need is, again we need a pullback either towards this level and then we need a change of character, continuation to the upside. And where do we target? We target at least to this level, like somewhere close to 46,000 level. This is the previous support that was broken. So 46,000 level is our first target. Okay, or else let's say instead of that, if the market comes back to this level where the closing was, again you can continue bullish trade only when we see a change of character. So in any case, whether it opens gap up, whether it opens somewhere in near neutral, or else if it opens gap down, so what we need is a pullback and then a change of character to the upside to continue on the bullish mode, and targeting first this level 45,500 and the second one is 46,000 level. Now let's say because the overall structure is in bearish mode, if the market opens gap down here and then closes this swing low, then you can turn bearish. In that case we can expect that the overall selling structure is still continuing downside. Then keep the stop loss above this and then continue your bearish trade. So this is how we can plan for the Bank Nifty. Now let's look at the Nifty trade. So our 15-minute structure is clearly in the bearish mode. Unless until the 15-minute supply is taken out, we cannot have a strong bias on the bullish side. But internally there is a change of character to the upside, exactly what we have seen in the Bank Nifty. So where is our first support in the 15-minute time frame? That is here, right? So what we need is, we need a pullback to this level, right? We need a pullback at least to 50% level, because there was a zone, it has formed somewhere close to 21,300 level. It can come to this level, and then if you see a change of character to the upside, again first our target is taking out this level, and if the continuation is happening, then we can expect it can come towards the 15-minute supply. We can turn bearish when this particular support level is taken out, right? This is not a demand zone as of now. This is only support. When we say demand zone, is only when it closes above this level, then our entire demand zone is the lowest point within this particular swing. Then this will become our demand zone. As of now, our first support is at this, right? So this is how we do Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Hope you are able to understand how we are preparing our trade plan. And the only thing is that you need to execute it properly. So patiently wait for the structure formation. So you can definitely improve your trading performance if you create a trade plan like this and strictly follow that. Wherever the market structure opens, you don't need to worry. As per your trade plan, whether the market has created the structure or not, that is what you need to be worried about. In case if this trade plan is interesting to you, please give a like and subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have any feedback, please put it in our comments. Thank you very much for watching. We will connect tomorrow.